Okay, let's get I don't know, addition or something. Okay, when you add 4 to whatever number you want, let's go 75. How does this work? Well, basically, if you're in base 10, that kind of means that further you go out, that means every time you go out, you just have to multiply by 10. So that means this 7 is not 7, it's actually 7 times 10. And then this is 7 times 10 to the 0th power. And then this is 4 times 10 to the 0th power. But what does 0th power mean? Because this is 10 to the first, and then if it was 7, if it was 775, that'd be 10 to the second, and then if it was 0.7, that's 7 times 10 to the -1. So what are powers of 10? Well, basically you just move it down decimal, but that's already, you can't just explain by what reverse is explaining it. So it's like repeating, like 10 squares, like 10 times 10, and then 10 to the -2, that's like 1 over 10 and over 10, okay, let's go back. So basically, this is not 7, this is 70. So just make it even more complicated, is the first step. Okay, and then you want to put up these together. Okay, so what are these? Well, what you want to do is you want to memorize all the numbers in the first kind of group deals here. Okay, yeah, like what they add up to. Okay, so we put this one over here because it has 10 to the 1 power, and then these guys that are like 10 to the 0 power, put them over here. Okay, so you want to rearrange it and stuff. And then people, when they add, they like to go vertical, like vertical. So they go like 75 plus 4. I mean, that's a pretty good way to do it, I guess. Okay, and then what is this? Well, let's just make a table of like adding numbers up, It's like a multiplication table. Alright, let's go. Hold on a second, let me just draw this out. We're gonna wanna, let's go with 0. Let's start with 0 first. Okay. 0 to 9. That's pretty good. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wait a minute. 9. Okay, this one's gonna be like 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here we go. So 0, 1, 2. This is what adds up. This plus cross them and adds. This cross is what it adds up to. If that's what you're wondering what I'm doing. So add it up right here. You can just add it up. That's 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you just add that up. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, let's just not do any of those. Should we? Sure. No? Yeah, whatever. Let's just do it. Okay. Let's do it real quick. Get back. Okay, got them all. So basically there's 10 kinds of numbers, alright? You got 0 through 9, and that's when you're working with the base 10. What does base 10 mean? Well, you don't really know that yet. Well, I guess that means you have 10 numbers. Okay, so what the heck is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I added it up, and then this is the graph you gotta memorize. But like if you're doing 6 plus 0 is 6, and then 0 plus 6 is 6. So, you can rotate them out, and basically, if you can reflect it across this line somewhere around there, like this reflects over here, it's 12, what the, 2 reflects over here, 12, something like that. Okay, like, let's see, you flip them, kind of. Okay, so back to where we were going. So like 75 plus 4. Well, everybody knows it's 79. But we need to high speed this, okay? How do you high speed? Have to know what these adds up to. Do you know what this adds up to? Yeah, 9. Why? Because you memorized it, right? It's 9. Okay? You don't even need this. You can just memorize it. You can just add it in your head. Why does this 7 go here? Because this is the 10 to the first place. The tens place. Some people call it. I don't know. This looks too much like a 4. Don't make it look like another number, because then you'll mess everything up. Okay, and then that's about it. Let's go harder. Okay, 8. Let's do 7s and 9s, so you get some stuff that like regroups or something. This is what's that? You know what that is, right? Everybody knows what that is. That's 16, of course. I knew that. So you got 16 times 10 to the 0th. Okay. What is this? 15. Okay, 15 times 10 to the 1st. Is that right? Yeah. What's this? 8 plus 9. That's obviously 17 times 10 to the 2nd. So what you're gonna do is regroup it. Okay, guys. So that's basically times 10 to the 1st, because it's in this column over here. So boom, bada boom. 6 will be your number. And the first, wait, what was I talking about? I don't know. Oh yeah. Okay, 10 to the 0, 10 to the 1st, 10 to the 2nd, 10 to, I don't even think there's a 3rd, is there? Probably, I don't know. Okay, 10 to the 3rd. Alright. To the 1st, we only had a 6. This is 10 to the 1st. So you have to multiply by that. Alright. 5 times 10 to the 1st. There's 10 to the 1st right here. So we get 5. What is this? Oh, that's a 1. Oh, okay. Let's times this. This times this. Anything else in 10 to the 1st is 10 this one. This one is 10 to the 1st times 10 to the 1st. So it's 100. Or 1 times 10 to the 2nd. 7 times 10 to the 2nd. That's pretty good. That's a 10 to the 2nd. So we got 1. Where's our 1? Oh, 6, 5, 1, 7. And this is 10 to the 2nd times 10 to the 1st. So 10 to the 1st. Now you just add these up, and you'll get 6. Gets that way. Let's just group it over here. 6. This over here. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 by itself is 1. And you get all the right commas, of course. Alright, so, we just rewrite this, I guess. 9 plus 987. It's gonna get like 1,866. Let's show you an even cooler way to do this. All this stuff I just did, you don't even need to know this. Okay, here's the real way to do it. What the heck is that? Here's the real way to do it. Okay, let's start all over. 879 plus 987. Amazing. Okay, 16. Well, you know this is 6 in this place, right? And then 1 here. So just write it there. Alright. And then this one is 15, 5. Oh, there's the 1 right there. What is this? 17. Oh, 1, 7. That again. Just keep that. Don't question it. Just move that over there. Move your answer. So 6, 6, 8, 1. Is that what I get over here? Yep. So if you can get it with 2 methods, basically means you're always correct. I mean, unless you somehow got both of them. But you can be pretty sure if you got it 2 ways. Okay, there you go.